How's everything going? So today we're going to be climbing up on the roof. We're going to be doing a little bit of maintenance on the roof. Going to be cleaning the air conditioner unit, so if you want to see that, stick around. And we're going to be conditioning the rubber seals on the roof, or up on the top of the slides, because we haven't done those yet. I did condition the seals on the slides on the side. I'll probably be redoing those as well. I'll do the upper portions while I'm up there. That's Mikey. I'll show you the mods I did. So I added this paper towel mod, just screwed it into the door. That way I can put my microfiber towel thing right there. Closes just fine. I also did have these left over from a spraying wand that I got, and I just screwed them in here to hold my table in there while we're transporting, we're driving down the road. That worked pretty good. And I've got a mod coming up that I saw online for this, and that'll be coming up shortly after we're done with the air conditioner, so stick around for that. Okay. And I'm up on the roof and we're looking at that bumblebee flying around right there. He keeps buzzing around. But I got 3 units up here and I'm looking at them, and that one there and the one up front, they're the ones that look like they need the most cleaning to them. But I'm still gonna, I think I'll clean them all, because there's only 2 screws I think that are holding it all together on the bottom. I'll show you here in just a second, but let me go ahead. All we gotta do is take off that portion of the cover right there. Little tip: when you come up on your roof, put everything you need in a duffel bag or in a backpack. Carry it all up in a backpack. So I've got my drill, my cleaning stuff in there, everything. It's all in the backpack. A little spray bottle to rinse, all that good stuff. All right, so we'll get on the back side of this, and I'm procrastinating, so we'll get this taken off here. All right, I'll be back in a second. Use here for the air. This is the cleaner I use here for the air conditioner. Sorry. It's called, made by Frost King. I got this on Amazon. It comes with a little soft brush on the top, and basically what you do is you spray it on there, and then you're going to just put the brush in there and pull it straight up. That's all you're going to do. Okay, I'll show you that here in just a second. All right, so even though it doesn't look that dirty, it actually is. I'm going to shake up your can very good. You just spray it on there. You got to let it set for a few minutes. It doesn't look that dirty, but I can see that it is. So we're going to spray it on there, let it set for a few minutes. Basically all you got to do is then just let it set in for a few minutes, and then we'll clean it off. And I did bring up a sprayer here. I can pressurize it. That way I can rinse it. And when you're using your little brush here, you're just going to stick it in and pull up until it's clean. All right, we'll get back with you in just a second when it's ready to rinse it. See, as you can see, I have all 3 AC units off and soaking. Middle one will be next, but this one here is ready to go. So we're going to clean this one now. Make sure you can see that there. Okay, so again, the teeth go in, push them in, basically just pull up. Does 2 things: 1, cleans them; 2, straightens out any of the fins, gets anything out of them that might be in there. Oh yeah, it's opening them right up. So this is going to increase the airflow going through there. It's going to make the air conditioner work better, providing cooler air for us inside. We're only going to do this a couple times, and then I'm going to rinse it. Anywhere where I see where I may have missed, I'll get it. that's it. I tell you, this little spray here is worth its weight in gold. I got some on the camera. Yes, you spray it right off. Rinse it right out. And I can adjust the pattern too, which is nice. Pump it up here. Got set to a fog pattern. I just rinse it right off. All right. And this one is done. Sweet. Now I'm going to be washing the roof when we get to New York, so I'm not worried about it. Clean that off. Okay, now I'm going to put the top back on. We'll see you when we're done. Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to add this to the end of the video. I did get the air conditioners completely cleaned. I got really winded because of how hot it was on the roof. I actually got pretty close to getting the heat stroke, so just goes to show that you need to drink a lot of water when you're up there working on that roof, especially if it's going to be sunny and hot. So I didn't keep the portion that was at the end of it. I did condition and clean the seals when I was up on the roof. At another time, I was going to do it while I was up there. It was just too hot. So I did get everything put back together, came down off the roof, and continued to work on it another day when it was nice and clear. And I'm sorry, it was nice and cloudy. It was all right. So we got it all done. I'm very happy. And when I went inside and actually used the air conditioning, I stood under the air conditioner in my bedroom for like 20 minutes. That's how hot I was. And the cold air, considerably colder from cleaning those air conditioner vents. So it does work. Take your time. There was one, if you look at the video, on the air conditioner at the back, the very first one I worked on, you can actually see on the right side where two of the vanes got pulled together, and I used a pair of tweezers and gently separated those and got those apart again. So just when you're cleaning them, just take your time, be very gentle with them. But you can do it. I have faith in you. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next one. I was just filming the back side of this video. Is that the epilogue? Prologue? I don't know. Back side of the video. Just goes to show you how much pain you're willing to put yourself through while doing this. It hurt. It hurt so much. Like, what is that? What is that feeling I'm getting right there? Try not to drop the camera. And then I look at my elbow, and there's this gigantic orange looking fly chewing a chunk of my flesh off of my arm, like right on the back of my arm, right in there somewhere. Yeah, that hurt. That was not good. So Thursday, which is, that doesn't matter, we're leaving in a couple of days, heading north. I did already get the seals done on the roof. When I say not the seals, I apologize. We got the Eternabond tape done on the roof. I'm gonna make a video of that. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it coming over the edge up there. I'm gonna spend probably the rest of the summer getting the rest of it done. Wanted to get it done while we're down here because it was mainly cloudy when I was doing it all, and I know I said I was going to do it when we got up to New York, but it is supposed to be in the 90s the whole time we're up there. And the days that it's not going to be in the 90s is going to be raining. So I don't want to do it in the rain. So I did get that done. The project was really, really easy. I cannot believe how easy as it was. So that being said, look forward to that video coming out. We got like 5 videos coming out here, probably every 2 weeks. So for the next 10 weeks. 3 of them are going to be maintenance videos. This one included is one of them. And one's going to be, if you've already seen the first Camaro video, and I hope you have. If you haven't, you got to go back and watch the Camaro video. That journey was epic. Really, it was. And then the second one is kind of like, we went to get before we even went to get the car, I actually go and inspect the car. Amazingly enough, I was surprised at the condition of the car, but I was also intrigued at the same time because I knew that myself, my son, Kathy, all involved are going to be able to get that car going. And the things that we found after we got the car, it just surprised me. It really did. But it also opened up the door to, hey, maybe we can do an LS swap in the future. You never know. But anyway, so hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. All right, everybody. There's an outtake right there. Bye.